Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Wednesday. It is the first Wednesday of the month, and so that means that it is Battle of the Stitches week 1, where I show you a tutorial for the stitch that we're creating this month. And let me get the book. We are working in this book for anyone. I've got a lot of new subscribers. I'm so excited. So I wanted to show you the book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. You can find this on Amazon, Thrift Books, any of those two, other places where you buy books. And you can also have it downloaded to your Kindle. So 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. This month we are on stitch number 14, which is the wide double crochet. Get my angle right, and that's what it looks like. And guys, if you can go from row to row making double crochets, you got this. You've got this down pat. It is a super easy stitch. So excuse me, if you're not familiar, real quickly, I will tell you with Battle of the Stitches, if you want to know more, you can send me an email. My email is in the description box. But please email me if you'd like to join, if you want more information. But just real quickly, week 1, every Wednesday is when we do this. Week 1, we come on and we give you a tutorial, show you the stitch for the month and do a tutorial. And that's what I'm going to get to here in just a minute, is a brief tutorial on how to do this stitch. Week 2, we give you a sneak peek of the project we're making, because we take that stitch and then we make our own unique pattern and project using that stitch. So we'll give you a sneak peek and see if you can guess what we're making. The 3rd week, we will come on and we will give you a, we will reveal, sorry, I could not think of that word. We will reveal our finished project, and then we will also put in our community tabs a poll with each of the participants' names where you can vote for your favorite project. And then on the last Wednesday of the month, we will come on live. And that could possibly be Tuesday instead of Wednesday, but we will let you know in plenty of time so you don't miss it. We will come on live the last week of the month, and we will announce whose project got the most votes. And then we will choose one person from all that voted and left a comment. We will choose one person to win that project that got the most votes. So it's a lot of fun. So let's head over to the table and let's see how this stitch is done. All right, guys, we are at the table. I am going to just put a slip stitch on my hook, and excuse me, and we're going to do some chains. Now the directions are you don't need a certain number. You can do any length of chain. So whatever project you're going to make with this stitch, you just need to make a chain that's the length of your project. All right, I'm just going to do a few here just for the demonstration. So what we want to do first is we're going to put 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to put a double crochet in that 4th chain. All right, then we are going to put a double crochet in every chain to the end of this row. Okay, double crochet is you yarn, for those of you who are new, yarn over, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, I am going to continue to make these double crochets down the length of the chain, and I will be right back when I get to the end. All right, everyone, I am back. Now this second row, this is the row that you're going to repeat until you have your project completed. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And then instead of double crocheting like normal in these stitches right here, we are going to double crochet in between each double crochet down here. So you're going to yarn over and we're going to go into that first, here's the first double and the second in between them, and place our double crochet. And we're just going to double crochet in between each double from the previous row all the way down. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing here. Right in between, we've crocheted in between this double. Now we're going to go in between this double and put a double crochet. Come over to these two in between and place a double crochet. And we're going to do that all the way to the end of the row. And I want to show you something that we're going to do at the end of the row. So I'm going to keep going here real quick. Once you do your second row, let me get some more yarn. Once you do your second row, this project really goes together quickly because you don't even have to think. This is one of those mindless patterns that you can do watching your favorite show. You don't have to worry about getting into the stitch. You're just going in between each double crochet and placing a double crochet. All right, so we have at the end of the row, you have one more double, a space, and then your chain stitch. So what we're going to do, we're not going to double in that last space. We're going to put our double in the top of that chain 3 from the previous row. Okay, so you put it in the top of your chain and do a double. And then it's just like we started before. Turn, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and start placing your double crochets in the spaces in between, in the space in between each double. Okay, that's it. And that's what you're going to repeat until you have your project finished. And again, when you get to the end, when you get to that last double and the chain, you do not put a double in this space. You put your last double, you skip that space and put your last double in the top of that chain stitch. Okay, I'm going to finish this and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back. I have finished the second row and this is what the stitch looks like. And I don't know if you can see or not. Let me hold it up. Get my hook out of the way. I'll hold this up. Yeah, you can see that a little bit better. You can see how it makes a lacy open stitch. I think this stitch would be beautiful for a scarf. You know, just, I'm not sure. What do you think? What kind of stitch do you think this would work? What kind of stitch? What kind of project would you make with this stitch? Let me know in the comments below. I just think this is beautiful. Yeah, let me know what you would make with this stitch. And if you would like to be part of Battle of the Stitches, I encourage you to send me an email. Let me know you'd like to be part of Battle of the Stitches, and I will send you everything that you need to know to get started. And if you're not a content creator, we have a Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches, and you can make a project with this stitch and submit your project's picture on our Facebook page. We do a drawing every 4 months out of everyone who has submitted a picture, and we choose one person to win something really special. So be sure to, if you're not a content creator, make sure to make something and post that picture on our Facebook page. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thank you, everyone, for watching my video today. I hope that you will click that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from Critters Crochet. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.